Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will solve one of the question which will test your understanding of topic properties of mean and variance, which is from paper 1, that is quant. Before we have a look at the question, please do subscribe to my channel and share with your friends as well so that they also get benefited out of it. So let's have the look at the question. Let me highlight the key information in red. Then yeah, so we have been given two variables x and y, which represent the rate of return on two stocks. Their distributions are approximately normal. So we have been given one of the variable as just make my pen little bit thicker. Yeah, and another stock is a stock returns are also normally distributed. So it is with mean 10 and variance 8. So the second parameter also could be standard deviation, but over here we have been specifically given that this notation represents the mean and variance of the variable. The variables are positively correlated with the correlation coefficient of 0.2. So let me summarize the information that we saw so far. So firstly, we have been given expected value of x as 6, expected value of y is 10, and variance, that is sigma square x, is 3, sigma square y has 8, correlation coefficient between two random variables is 0.2. So we have been asked to find out which of the option is false. So to calculate this, we will use the properties of mean and variance. So property one says that expected value of ax plus by is equal to a times expected value of x plus b times expected value of y. And similarly, if I were to calculate expected value of a times x, a would come out, and you will multiply a with expected value of x to get the expected value of a times x. Similarly, when if I were to write this formula for variance of x, it would come out as a square, and you will multiply with variance of x. And if I were to write variance of ax plus by, it is a square times sigma x square x plus, so it is a variance, so that's why it's sigma square over here. So b times sigma square y plus 2 times ab times covariance of xy. So we'll use these properties to calculate what we have been asked. So first we will calculate x plus y. So let me write it again over here. We just decrease the thickness, it's too high. So it's x is normally distributed with 6, 3 and y is 10, 8. So x is normally distributed with 6 and 3, and y is normally distributed with 10 and 8. So x plus y would be normally distributed. Let's see. So expected values were getting added. So we'll just directly add it up. So it would be 16. We'll see how we can find the variance. And similarly, for x minus 5, it would be 6 minus 4, 6 minus 10, that is minus 4. So let's see if we have mean of these two as 16 and minus 4. So 16 and minus 4. Now we have to find out the variance of x plus y and x minus y. So I'll use this formula. So over here a and b are 1. So I'll directly solve it. So variance of x plus y would be equal to a is 1. So directly I will just write sigma square x, that is 3, plus sigma square y, that is 8. So I'm just using this formula to calculate the variance of x plus y and x minus y. And later on, it says 2ab. So 2 times a and b are 1. So 2 times. So it says covariance of x and y. So covariance can be written as correlation times variance of both. So covariance times standard deviation of both. So let me write rho formula. So if I were to find rho, it is equal to covariance of x and y divided by sigma times x, sigma times y. So over here it's standard deviation. So when you will multiply this instead of covariance, I can write correlation times correlation we have was given, it was 0.2 times into, now it says so you have been given these are sigma square x and sigma square y. So if I were to calculate sigma x and sigma y, it would be under root of 24. Okay, so and when I say sigma square of x minus y, it is a very special case when your b is minus 1. So it would be same because so just one thing would vary. It is 2 plus 8 plus 2. So here over here it would be 2ab. So instead of 2 times 1 times 1, so it would be 2 times 1 times minus 1. So over here it just instead of plus it would becomes minus when you are calculating the variance of x minus y. So it would be same expression. So 2 minus, so 3 plus 8 minus 2 times 0.2 times square root of 24. So let's calculate this. 2 times, so I'm using the normal calculator. You can do it in your BA plus 2. So first what I would do, I would find a square root of 24, 20 times. So I would just say that square root of this. So it comes as 4.89 times 2 times 0.2. So this is something I would get 1.95. Let me just re-verify it. 24 square root times 2 times 0.2. So it is coming as 1.95. So so this third expression that I calculated is coming as 1.95. So if I add 11 to it, I get 12.95. So the first, this one is correct. So we are getting variance of 13. So let me verify variance of x minus y. When I subtract approximately 1.95 from 11, so if I subtract 1.95 from 11, it is coming as 9. So the variance of this would be 9, not really a 13. So this option is not correct. I mean, the option that we are looking for is the option B because variance is coming as 9. So let me highlight the correct ones because we have already got the wrong answer. So So this one is correct and this one is incorrect. So that this is the option that we are looking for. This is a very straightforward question when you have to multiply 5 times. So if I multiply 5 times mean of x, it is coming as 30. And when I have to calculate variance, so 5 times 25 times 3, it is 75. This is a bit interesting case, the number 4. You can apply this formula and this has been left as exercise. But eventually both options are correct because we have got wrong option as B in the second one. Hope you like the video. If yes, please do share with your friends and comment as well. Thank you very much. Stay connected.